Welcome to our educational channel, Secrets of Mental Math. So in this series, from this chapter, let us explain everything advanced multiplication. So previous we have seen already multiplication concepts about 3-digit number squares. So here we will see 4-digit number squares and followed by 3 by 2, 3-digit number by 2-digit number multiplication, factoring method, addition and subtraction. There are three methods. According to your convenience, you can follow one of the method. And the most important thing is the multiplication shortcut trick, that is the base method. So these are the concepts I am going to explain in this advanced multiplication. So this is how the knowledge about the previous series, so previous chapters. Then only you can understand this clearly. So if you come in order, then you can understand very clearly. Now let us go one by one. First we will start with 4-digit number squares, how to solve. 4-digit number square. So let me show you how to find out the squares for any 4-digit number. So for this you already previous knowledge about how to multiply with 4-digit by 1-digit. So you need to be able to do 4 by 1 number problems. Then you can make it easy. So let me show you that first. Instead of multiplying same 4-digit number with same, let us have knowledge about the numbers multiplying with 4-digit by 1. For example, 4867. To multiply with 9 with 1 digit. Now this one we can break down into two parts and we can do. For example, 4867. This is 4867. So if you make into two parts, this you can write 4800 plus 67. So 2 digit by 1 digit. Instead of multiplying this directly, you can take separately 9 into 48 and 9 into 67. This is also one of the method. So this concept we applied. Previous already learned, just repeating again. 9 into 48. So 48 2 digit by 1 digit. You already practiced previous chapters. I am not going through clearly again. Just 9 into 48 is 432. You keep 2 zeros attached. Similarly 9 into 67. 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. You already perfect. That one you should add to this. 603. Right? If you add same 43803. 43,803. This is the method you already learned and you need to practice this first. Then only you can apply the 4-digit number squares. Let us see one more example and we'll go for that method. Okay, for example 2781 multiply with 4. So what technique will follow? Just 27 plus 81. So 2700 plus 81. You need not write, just you can keep in mind and internally separately add. That is 27. You should multiply with 4, right? Similarly, same 4 into 81. We'll add this both. So 27 into 4, 108. 00 plus again 81 into 4 is 324. Now this already practiced 2 digit by 1 digit multiplications. So if you add, that is 11, 1, 2, 4. 4, 2, 1 carry. Okay, 11,124. So if you are perfect this, if you master in this above concept, now let us have an idea about this square. Okay, see once. Let me take one number. 4,267. Okay, randomly took one number. Now I need to find out the square of this. To find out the square of this number, same how we did 3-digit number squares. Same concept will apply. We'll take in two parts. 267. So should take this minus 267 and plus 267. Once you can add and we'll subtract. This is the concept, same concept. 4,267. This extra 267, add and subtract. Okay, if you do add and subtracting, one side will get just only 4,000, right? And another side is 4,267 plus 267. So 4,267 plus 267 is 534. So 4,534 and this is 4,000. So why I gave this in starting is 4 digit by 1 digit, same here. 4,534 should multiply with 4. So further this concept you need to practice before only 4 digit number. So next, this into this 4534 into 4. Same, what concept you applied, same way you can do. That is, I've done this, got the answer 18136. 4534 into 4. 4 digit number by 1 digit multiplication. There are 3 zeros. Okay, this is extra one more. You completely can add into 4000. You can keep the 2 zeros, 3 as this. Next, okay, up to here 4534 into 4 is 18136. Because of 3 zeros, no, 3 zeros we kept. Next, our method is, we learn already previous, that is, which is the plus or minus that number square. That is 267 square we should find out. For that one we need to add for this. 267 square will add, and the total is the square root of this. Okay, this is the previous is 4534 into 4 and 3 zeros attaching. Okay, now if you notice 267 square. 267 square already we did previous. 3 digit number squares. So same concept. So let me show here. Same, if you take 267 square, I need to find out. So for this, what method we followed? Just will take same like we did previous, plus 60. Okay, near to this round figure is 300. For 300 is 33 less than 33 minus you take. Plus 33 minus 33. Okay, see here. So this is 300. 267 minus 33 is 234. Then we can multiply this. Same. 300 into 234. 70,200. Because single digit. 234 into 3. 70200. Plus 33 square. 33 square is 1089. Right? This already we learned previous. This is the 33 square value. And this is 234 into 300 value. So by adding this both, 71,289, right? 71,289 that we need to add for this. Same, 71,289. Just by adding, we'll get the square root for this number. Just by adding this both. Then we'll get the square root for this. So that concept only will apply. So same, similar. The sum of these two numbers is just, you can add this 9, 8 and 2, 7, 10, 2, 8, 1. This is the square root of 4,267. Okay, this is the concept already because you have perfect 3 digit number squares. Okay, and one more main thing, same concept, which is plus or minus, that we need to proceed for this. Okay, so okay, this is the 4 digit number. First you practice with single digit with 4 digit number, then you can apply this concept. Okay, this maybe it will need practice more. Next, let me show you some 3 digit by 2 digit number multiplication in different methods. 3 digit by 2 digit multiplication using factoring method. So especially for upper primary children, those are facing problem with directly multiplying with 2 digit. So this factoring method technique you can follow. Just take one simple example. Okay, 637 multiplied with 56. So when they are facing problem, and so I mean carrying rule or again writing in two different ways, we can split into the parts and we can multiply this. For example, 56. If you take this 56 using a prime factorization method, okay, 2, 28, again 2, 14, 2, 7, 7 ones up. So 637 we can multiply with 2, 2, 2, 7, 4 separate times. Instead of that, even if you observe, this 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 8 into 7. So up to single digit product you can write. If any number is given, what you should multiply 2-digit number, make into product of 2 single-digit numbers. Okay, instead of even you can write 14 into 4, but 14 is again 14 4s are also 56, but 14 is again 2-digit number, right? So make into two single-digit numbers, product of the 2 single digits. We make this. Now you can multiply just 637 into 56. So this is nothing but 637 into 8 into 7. So what we can do, first we can multiply with 8. Okay, first this part will simplify. So already you are perfect with 3-digit number multiplication with a single digit by splitting in different ways. So you can multiply with 8, that is 8 into 7, and the carrying it keep in mind and do. With orally we can do this. So you will get 5096. So then that number answer you can multiply with 7. 5096 into 7. Already with a single digit, any huge number is given. You already practiced from the previous chapter in mentally in mind how to do. So this is 35,672. Or internally you can do. So this is the technique you can follow directly. Let me show one more example. Okay, let's take 144 into 76. To multiply this, not only 76, even you can take 144 also, product of the 2-digit numbers. Okay, here I am taking 144. This is 6 into 6 into 4. 3-digit number. You can just apply the prime factorization concept, right? 144. Now you can just guess this. 72, again 2, 36, 2 18s, 2 9s, again 3 3s, 3 1s. So make into single digit instead of all so many. Just 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 2 is 4. Like this, or anyway, whatever it is, the number is given, make into product of the single digits. Then you can multiply this. So 76 into 6 into 6 into 4. That is the answer for this. So you can multiply the 2 net. Okay, first 2, 76 into 6, 456. Because already a perfect with single digit, any number is multiplication in internally in mind. 6 into 4. This answer again multiply with 6 now. That is 636, 37, 2736 into 4. Next, finally, can multiply this both with 4. So 610, 944. Yes, 10,944. So just you can actually without using any pen and paper, just calculating internally. This is the concept. So because by remembering the previous number with single digit you can multiply. So this little practice required. Then without using pen and paper, in orally in mind also you can calculate this any 3-digit number by 2-digit, making 2 single digits by factoring method. So making into factors and we can do this. Same 3-digit by 2-digit number, just we will see how to do with addition method. 3-digit number by 2-digit number multiplication process using addition method. Let us see now. So here is also same concept, but we need to split the numbers. So let me take one example and I explain. Okay, for example 721. Okay, I need to multiply with 37. So in you are facing problem with directly multiplication with 2-digit, and if you want to calculate internally, just make the number into nearest to tens or nearest to hundreds. Okay, now 721, 720 plus 1. Okay, if you imagine and treat that, then 720 with 37 will multiply, because already you perfect learned 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication earlier chapters. Okay, so same concept, 720 into 37. So we will not consider 0. So 72 into 37. But 72 if you treat as 9 into 8. 72 is equals to 9 into 8 if you treat. Then you can multiply with 9 ones with 8 ones, 37. So that 1, 2, 6, 6, 4. And extra 0 we can keep. 72 if you treat as 9 into 8. So 9 into 37. Single digit with 37. And next the answer with 8. Okay, that already learned. Now next 1 into 37 with the next after splitting, which is, so 1 into 37, and this is 37. Just you can attach for this, you can add, so 26,677, 721 into 37. These all can calculation internally. Okay, need not write on the paper. So just calculating internally we can do in this way. Let me take another example. Okay, 386 into 51. So which number is near to the tens, that you can split and make it. It's easy. 51, if I can write 50 plus 1. So even if you notice the problem is 3 digit by 2 digit, 50 plus 1. So 5 and 1. Just only multiply with 5 and multiply with 1. You can see here. So 550 into 386. But not consider this is 50. Just only 5. 5 into 386 you multiply. Already you know that 3 digit number with one single digit. 5 into 386. 386. 3 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6. Starting you learn. So same concept you apply, 1930 and another 0. Next symbol, the 1 into 386, same it is. Same as it is, 386. So you can add this, then that is the product for this number. What is it? 19,686. 386 into 51 value is 19,686, but this all calculation should be done internally, because since you already perfectly practiced from the previous chapters with a 3-digit number by 2-digit, 3-digit number by 1 digit. So make into 2 parts like a single digit, then we can multiply and add internally. So this calculation also is done using this addition method. In case some numbers are in different way, let us follow with the subtraction method. Same 3 digit by 2 digit multiplication. Which type of questions we can use subtraction method? Let us see now. 3 digit number by 2 digit multiplication using subtraction method. Same like previous addition method, but here the difference is if any number is less than the tens place. Okay, let me show an example. For example, 629. This is near to 630. If we can round it to the tens place, less than, even 632 also is near to 630 only. If nearest to the tens, but is less than that. So we can go for subtraction method. For example, this is multiplied with 38. So 629, we can make 630 minus 1. You can imagine in mind that is 629 is 630 minus 1. So with 630 we'll multiply 38 first. So 630 multiply 38. That means it's not 630, just only 63. 63 into 38, because you can attach the 0. So already learned previous perfectly, right? It's 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication. So 63 into 38. That concept if you apply, we'll get 2394. Okay, I'm not teaching again that concept. 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication you already learned previous. So 2394 and just 0. Because it's minus 1. So that is minus 1 into again 38. That is just minus 38. Plus minus, so minus it is. So after subtracting 239, 40 minus 38 is 02. 23,902. So need not write everything, just you can calculate internally also in mind. Okay, even when you are multiplying with 63, we can guess this as 9 into 7. So like the 9 you multiply, with 7 you multiply. So already learn that 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication in shortcut tricks. Let us see one more example. Okay, if it is 758 multiply with 43. Now this is near to the 760, but is 2 number less. So we'll go for the subtracting method. That is 760 minus 2. This we can assume, right? So 760 into 43. So 76 into 43 actually it is. So you can keep 0 side attached. 76 into 43. This 43 like 40 plus 3. You can guess that 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication concept. So when you do, you'll get 3268 and 0. We're adding. Now next minus 2 into 43. Minus 2 into 43 is minus 86 by observing it. So by subtracting this, 32,680 minus 86. So 32,594 because it's minus 86. Okay, these techniques we can follow. Already since you have perfectly learned previous 2 digit by 2 digit or splitting that number and doing. If based on awareness, based on that concepts only, this 3 digit by 2 digit multiplication or 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication, anything by splitting that number into parts, we can use. Even the previous method like factoring or even addition subtraction, this method we can apply. Next, let me explain you one of the important base method. Any multiplication, the simple technique, the base method I will show you now. Multiplication shortcut tricks using the base method I'll explain now. So it's an interesting method, and we can do this concept when the numbers are close to each other. Like for example, if you take one number 107 into 111, these both are near to 100. So we can call it as the base 100. Okay, base 100 concept. If both are near to 500, it's a base 500. Near to the 400, base 400 method will apply. Let us see what is the logic in this and how to apply. 107 is near to the base 100 is extra 7 and this extra 11, right? So 100 into, we can add these numbers, 107 plus 11, cross addition, same will get 107 plus 11 or 111 plus 7, that is 118. This number, that is 118 into 100 is just 11800, simple. And next 7 into 11, this extra apart from 100, what is plus 7 plus 11, no? So 7 into 11, just multiply 7 into 11, so 77. You can add to this, that is nothing but just attaching side 11877, that's it, 11,877 because of base 100. Let me take another example. Okay, 109 I should multiply with 104. Compared to the base 100, this is a plus 9 and it's a plus 4 extra. So you can do cross addition to get same. 109 plus 4. 109 plus 4 is 113. Because if it's a base 100, 100 into 113. Okay, 104 plus 9 also same. Cross addition this you can call. So 113 just 00. 9 4. 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is just 36. We can attach 11336 because of near to 100 is a base 100. For example, the one problem, let us take base 400. So 396 387. Okay, let it be this example. So when you notice this is for base 400 because both the numbers are close to the 400. Out of 400, this is less 4. Out of 400, this is less 13. Okay, 13 less, right? Now 396 minus 13 or 387 minus 4. You can do cross thing. So 400 is the base. 400 into 396 minus 13 or 387 minus 4. You get same answer. You notice once. 387 minus 4 also 383. Even 396 minus 13 also same 383 only. Just cross adding or cross subtracting concept you apply. It's simple. 383 into 4. Single digit multiplication. No? Just 1532. 4 into 383. 00. This is 4 into minus 4 into minus 13. Minus 4 into minus 13 is a plus 52. Here is same. Plus 7 into plus 11 plus 77. We can add this both. 1532 0052. So 15 153250. 153252 it is. 52, right? Yeah, simple. So this is the way concept you can apply for the multiplication shortcut tricks using the base method. So how we, okay, let us take one example. One is more and less. For example, same 396 413. Okay, if you observe this, 396 is okay minus 4 compared to the 400. This extra 13, this less 4. So 400 into cross adding or cross subtracting. 413 minus 4, that is 409. Even 396 plus 13 also you can see like this cross adding, it will get same. 409 into 4 is 1636. Single digit adding multiplication 409 into 4. You keep 2 zeros, and 4 in minus 4 into 13 we can just multiply. So minus 4 into plus 13, that is minus 52. One is plus and one minus. Just multiply and write down. Because of subtracting this 548. 600 minus 52, 548. So 163,548 or 1,63,548 is the product of this. This concept you can apply when you are doing multiplication. How it works, if you want to check, if you take x plus a and x plus b, if you multiply, same, if you notice this 107 into 111, 100 plus 7 into 100 plus 11 we can write. So x plus a into x plus b, if you multiply this, x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab. From first two terms, first three, if we take x common, x plus a plus b plus ab. So x into, what is the base? This is the base thing, no? 400 into x plus a plus b, 409. We'll multiply and add this a into b. If it's a plus minus means minus into plus minus a. This formula only, concept will applied in this. These are the techniques you can apply for the base when the numbers are close to one single number. According to the base of that particular number, we can do this. So if any numbers are close, within just by observing the numbers also we can say. So these are the techniques you can follow for this. Next you will see some more logical methods in mathematical magics.